Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting the measurement now. First, confirm your Apple Watch model and Watch OS support wrist temperature or the feature used by Apple Health. Once done, update both devices and grant Health app permissions so readings save. Next, put the watch on a snug, bare wrist, no clothing under the sensor, and wait about 10 minutes for your skin to stabilize. This reduces environmental bias. While you wait, open the temperature or cycle tracking card so you're ready to record the first reading immediately. Now you'll take the actual readings and learn what they mean. Open the temperature or health app, start a measurement session, and record a reading. Make 2 more measurements at different times to build a baseline. Remember that wrist temperature differs from oral or armpit values by several degrees, so interpret trends rather than single numbers. Make sure your wrist is at rest and room temperature is stable. Sudden exertion or cold air skews results. Log context notes so you can compare like with like later. Finish by saving your readings and reviewing trends in the Health app. You use patterns to detect meaningful changes, not isolated numbers. If a value looks wrong, first make sure the watch sits snugly on bare skin, then restart the watch and try again after 10 minutes in stable conditions. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch or contact Apple support. Hardware faults are rare but possible. Keep a brief note of symptoms and environment. That helps you, or a clinician, interpret wrist temperature trends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.